Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the ringtone in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, well, do it right now. Now let us simply look at how to change the ringtone. At the top right, you can see the settings button right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, this thing will open up. This is the settings page. Well, do note that there are lots of options. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply scroll down till you see something called as calls. It is under the general tab. And guys, that is it. This is the calls section. Well, right here, there are lots of options from incoming calls to everything. But now I'm simply gonna scroll down. And right here, you can see the ringtone option. Click on it, and that's it guys. Simply select the ringtone of your choice. Here's xylophone, spring, line or telephone ring. Select whatever you wish. And that is it guys. That's how we change the ringtone in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.